Hey, this is Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to talk about $100 in one day in one of my affiliate opportunities, and I'm going to go ahead and give you the link and the information how you can sign up and get that education. That way you can start growing your business as soon as humanly possible. If this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button and hit the bell notification when you get videos just like this. I like doing videos every single day, and I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is, and today we're going to talk about $100 in one day with one of my affiliate marketing opportunities. Now, when I first got started, I was not making $100, and results are not typical, so I have to work really hard and to get a mentor and a coach and the right system. And a super affiliate network I discovered here that I'm going to share with you as well, that I was able to achieve $100 in one day. Now, I'm going to tell you right below this video, there's a link you can go ahead and get signed up and get the education. That way you can start building your business as soon as humanly possible. And I want to go ahead and show you proof to this. I'm going to show you proof to this. And when you go ahead and sign up, that link right below this video, you'll go ahead and be escorted. You'll actually be assigned an advisor to go ahead and help you out in terms of your education and building your business as soon as humanly possible. Now, right here, you show here is $108.50. And you see today right here, it is today. And I wanted to show you that, yes, it's possible that you can make $100 in one day in affiliate marketing. And a super affiliate network, it's not the money, it's the education that you'll get. So right below this video, there's a link for you can go ahead and sign up. My #1 recommendation for starting a business and making money online. You'll go through training. You'll go to a 15-module training. You'll be assigned an advisor every step of the way in terms of teaching you how to run your own business or even start your own business. Now, one thing here I'm going to show you here is the leaderboard here. Now, I was not on the leaderboard when I first started out with the Super Affiliate Network. Now I see my name on the leaderboard on a daily basis, on almost a daily basis, and right now I'm #1 in monthly sales and I'm #1 in also the daily sales as well. And yes, it's possible for new people, beginners, to get on the leaderboard and have some success in your business, but you do got to click on the link right below this video to go ahead and get signed up, get the education, start building the business so you can get results in your business as soon as humanly possible. Results are not typical. I do have disclaimer information right below this video, but I wanted to show you it is possible that you can make $100 in one day with an affiliate marketing opportunity. The Super Affiliate Network is a high ticket digital marketing organization that's teaching you how to build your own business and go towards freedom. Your freedom lifestyle, the freedom that you always wanted to have. The digital marketing opportunity like the Super Affiliate Network will definitely teach you the skill sets and the tools to be able to achieve that as once. And I wanted to show you this today. It was like I got up this morning, I was like, I want to show you that it's possible that you can have results in affiliate marketer, especially if you are a beginner. So click right below this video. There's a link. My #1 recommendation to make money online and start your online business as soon as humanly possible, and go and sign up as a very, very special rate. It's a special rate right now. I don't know how long this is going to be. That's why you need to jump on this right now for you go ahead and start building a legacy for you and your family, and for you can get on this leaderboard as well. So that's all I got for you. That's all I have for you. Go ahead and click on that link below, and I'll see you on the inside, and I'll see you on the next video tomorrow. I'll see you later. Have a good day.